So we are live, I think. Not sleeping at the moment. Yeah. If we have here the Bitcoin price interesting constellation, then we are not sleeping. Yeah. So who are sleeping at this night? Hmm. They have not so they have not so much experience in the Bitcoin price following. Yeah. So let's look. I think let's start and if some subscriber come to the channel, then they can see that we are online. So if you look here to this formation, the reason why I'm now live is that we have here really interesting constellation and nobody see this. Yeah, if you look here more inside, then we have here an interesting constellation. Let's look here to the overview. So the price was here 50,000. Yeah, for the 8,000 we have here this negative channel. Yeah, let's look. Let's draw also this here. So our negative channel exists, and the next logical step is that we make a retest to 27,000. But that makes no sense because um, maybe 10-20% we could go here to these levels. Yeah, make this, test this, and then fall here to 13,000. If you're asking me, I would say maybe 10-20% that could happen. Yeah. But if you look here to the whole chart, let's look to this overview. Yeah. Then you can see we try this, the outbreak, we try this one time, two time, the third time we fail. Yes, you are right. This move is the outbreak here, but we have here not so much good constellation or pattern. Yeah, so that means we have to go here to the downside and test this level here. Let's look more inside to understand the structure here. Let's look and let's look to more inside to understand this. Look, if we zoom in, then you can see that we are touching this point here. Nearly, I would say, if we adjust a little bit, one time, two time, three time. And this is a very dangerous area. If you look to this here, we also already break here the uptrend. The uptrend was here. You can see we clear, break the uptrend, make a retest, and maybe we make this. And then we are finished. Yeah, that means we have here not so much energy. You can see in the RSI that we test this level so much. Yeah, look here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that's the reason why this is here coming in the 1 hour chart, becoming to 56 level. And that's the dangerous point here. We will go really hard to the downside. And if this play out, then we have here at the Bitcoin price a really big problem. And not small, really big problem, because the next point, this blue line, the next point is here, 15,000. Yeah, but I think even this 15,000 will not hold. Now you can see we make here with the retest. Even this 15,000 will not hold. We will fall out of range, and that means we will landing here at, I would say, a little bit more to the downside in direction of 13,000. Yeah, so Mr. Chaos write me some of US never sleep. Bravo. So we're looking here to this interest rates and Bitcoin. So this is a normal page. Yeah, I make a screenshot of this page and then I draw here some lines. Yeah. So 1980, these are 40 years ago. The interest rates was here 20%. Yeah, you can see. So in this chart, you cannot see the 1970 and 1960 and 1950. If you find here a chart, please let me know so that I can analyze this here. But the logical, if you look to logical to this chart, then I think this is a megaphone pattern, and we touch this one time, two time, three time, then we're going here to the downside. This here, if you look to this is a triangle. That's the reason why we will break out this, yeah, because the Fed announced already that they will rise the interest rates to 3 to 4%. Yeah, that means this is in planning or it's already happened that we reach here this level here. And if you look from the technical point of view to this chart, this is a really triangle. Yeah, we will break out this, yeah. And if you look to this area, especially the area of 1995 and 2000 areas, and here 2008, then we test this level here so much here, 1, 2, 3. This will not hold. That means the Fed they will raise the interest rates to 10%. Yeah, this will also not help. Yeah, because we're coming to the next how can I say, the next step and that next channel. Yeah, and you can see we tried this so much here. 1, 2, 3. This will also not hold. They will rise this interest rates to 15%. This will also not hold. Yeah, and I think at 50%, 15%, something will happen so that we're coming to this new area, 20, 22%. Yeah, they will make this. As you can see already 20%. This is a 40-year cycle, and you can see the megaphone pattern is going to the upside. If coming very bad, yeah, if the Fed is really stupid, and if they cannot make something, yeah, then they could reach or rise the interest rates in direction of 40 or 50%. Yeah. This is extreme area, but if you look for from the technical point of view, look, this is a megaphone pattern. You can see it rising, rising, and so on. And this here is a positive pattern. That means, how can I explain you this? If you see something like that, this is an inverse left shoulder head and the right shoulder formation. And if you uh, adjust this and make a projection, then you're landing here at this level. So it is fact that this year will happen to the green line, pardon, to the yellow line. I think nearly 80-90% that this year is happening. Yeah, because all my predictions coming true. So I think the yellow line, 80-90% this is happening. The red line, I'm here not so sure, maybe 10 to 20%. Yeah, but the 20% is, uh, I would say 80%. This year is 100%, 100% to 10%, 100% to 15%. This is clear here. Yeah, you can see this from the structure. So what is now the relationship between interest rates and Bitcoin? So if the interest rate is rising, then Bitcoin is fall, drop to the downside that we see at the moment. Yeah, that's the reason here. But if you look to the Bitcoin price in general, then the formations and so on give us the information that Bitcoin will go here. Let me look and adjust a little bit. That Bitcoin will go here to 200 to 300,000. So how is this possible? This is only possible if a shock moment is coming. Yeah, the shock moment is like that. If you see this here, short movement to this, yeah, all markets going down, yeah, because the inflation is coming, everybody has fear, and from this point here, yeah, that will take time, 1 to 2 years, yeah. The price of Bitcoin, if they announce that the interest rate is coming down, yeah, maybe peak to 20% and coming here down, then Bitcoin will start here really bull run. Yeah, next move is a bull run, and I think in that way that could happen. And for me, it's clear if I see such a chart like this, that is for me really clear. We already break this. The next move is to 10%. Why? We have here a channel. You can see we try so much for subscriber. They only see this at this moment. Yeah. Um, the explanation of this chart is we tried this so much that we will break this to 10%, and then the next step is 15%. Yeah. And target is here yellow line, nearly 22%. And if we break the yellow line and if coming very bad, then we're landing here at 30 to 40%. Because we have here megaphone pattern, we have here triangle, and we will break this to the upside. Yeah. So this is the interest rates um, relation to Bitcoin. Let's look here more inside for the people who now looking to my channel. So if you have questions, you can write this. We are here in this channel. We have here inverse left shoulder head and a shoulder left shoulder head and the right shoulder formation, and we are here at these levels. Of course, we have now the situation that we could make a retest to these levels, but it would be make no sense. Yeah, if you look here very clear and inside of this structure, then we can recognize that here we have two possibilities. One possibility is the blue line. We make a retest, okay. Bitcoin goes here from 20,000 to 28,000, something like that. We have here a left shoulder head and a right shoulder formation. Everybody is happy, but then the fall is even painful. Yeah. But I think this is in my eyes only 10-20% that will come through. I think more if we look here to this chart, then you can see here very good that we test this level, then the below level, low level, then we're going to this level, and you can see we are here. That means the next step is here in the direction of 13,000. Yeah. Why 13,000? Why we have to go here to the downside? The problem is we already fall out of range. That means if you look here, this was our uptrend. I make this in red that you can see this. So what happens? You can see we test this 1, 2, 3, and then we're falling here to the downside. And we have a similar situation here. If you look here to the RSI, then you can see we have also here a good uptrend to the upside. Yeah, so we are still in an uptrend, a small uptrend. Yeah, but you can also see that we are in a triangle here in these levels. Yeah, and that's the dangerous point. You can see the triangle gets closer and closer, and today we have a 17th of June. This is 18th of June. So the triangle, we will break out from this triangle, and if you look here to the chart, we have not so much time and we have not so much energy. Yeah. So I don't really not uh, how can I say why the Bitcoin price should go here to the upside. It makes really no sense. So triangle, and we will fall out of this triangle, and that's the danger here. So, and I think we will see here a horrible crash. Yeah, because that is really bad here, the structure. If you zoom in, then you can see we need only a retest of this level here. Look here, we need only this, yeah, to this level. I delete this that you can see this. So we delete this, and this. So you can see we have here a triangle, yeah, and we touching, and we, how can I say, test this so much here that we will fall out of range. That means we will smash to the downside here. And this negative to the downside, we will see this here, and this is painful. That will very painful. The moon boys, um, yeah, getting crying. Yeah, they will cry very painful because they buy here at these levels, and I think the price will go here between 13,000 and 12,000. Yeah, so that we will see this very horrible. I don't know the event why the price will fall here to the downside. If we say, okay, the price, this is one strategy. Another strategy is, okay, we are here in a low level, we will fall here to the downside. What happens next? If the vaults want a manipulation, then they could take the price here to the upside, like what I describe you here at these levels. We make this in green. Yeah, if the manipulation is happening, then we see here uptrend to 26, 28,000. We're going here to the downside, and we try here to come here out of this range. Yeah, and then the big fall can come. So even worse. Yeah. So I think let's make this in different colors. Make this not orange. We make this violet. So if the vaults manipulate the price, then they can stretch this 20,000 to 27,000. Make this formation here, green line, test again, and then fall to 8, 9,000. Yeah. So the blue line that I expect here at the moment, this is more real that the blue line will happen. That is my view, the right way. And the violet line is if they, how can I say, stretch this to these levels and make only one retest. And then you can see the same will happen like this. And the price will go here to the downside. It depends really what the vaults make. If they stretch this to, let me look, to 8th of July or mid of July, then we will see here a really hard crash to the 9,000. Yeah, that's the reason why it's so difficult to predict, because it's depend how long the vaults stretch. Yeah, if they stretch mid of July, then we will reach here 9,000. If they stretch or if they make no stretching, then we're landing at 13,000. But keep this one point in your mind, that we're coming to the end. There's a huge inverse left shoulder head and right shoulder formation, and I think in my eyes even this year is possible. Look here, Bitcoin at 3,000, between 3,000 and 4,000. Yeah, why I explained this also in the past to you, why we have to go here to the downside is, if you look here, we never test these lines here. You can see here, this is never tested. Yeah, you can see this and this is, but not the testing of this line here. So maybe they crash the Bitcoin really to these levels here, to, I would say, to 2,000 and 3,000. So be looking here to the chat, what the subscriber write to me. I can say to this you LISK and ICX Neo. We can look later to this chart. Um the reason why LISK, ICX, and NEO is so badly performed in 2021 is that these, how can I say, cryptos are manipulated very hard. Yeah, but exactly these cryptos will go in 2025 extreme well. Yeah, we will look to this cryptos in few minutes. Yeah, so waiting back to Australia. Will Quinty drop to $20? Yes. Please look to the Wolf Exclusive Club. There you have a direction that the fall is coming. If you're not looking, if you are not able to see any of my video, you have to look to the community. Yeah. I will look, or I can show you later how is this possible. You have to go to my channel, and then below community, you see all the videos that I make for the memberships. Yeah. That's not in the public. You have not look to the public area, because in the public area there is no access for you. Yeah, this is for all. But if you look to the community area, then you can find the videos that is for members. Let's look to let's look to the question from Mr. Kawas. LISK. You ask for LISK. So we're looking here why this cryptos so fail um, at 2021. Let's look. LISK, not link, LISK. So we're looking here to this. So you can see LISK is perform very bad here at 2021. It's going to $12 and then going here to the downside. In real, we prepare also LISK prepare himself to break out in 2025. Yeah. If you look to the structure, this is a structure like XCP, same structure. So you can see we have here a negative trend line to the downside. The next move is we will break out here. I think they will stretch this until end of 2022. Then we will go here to the upside and make here. I call this stupid formations. Yeah, we need this to make this. Yeah, because how can I explain you this? We have to test this level. I will not say very, very much, but we have to test this. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we have to have the possibility to go here to the next area. And you can see exactly we tested so much here, 1, 2, 3, going to the downside. Yeah, and then the price will explode like this here. You can see 007, and the price is going to $40. And this is the same structure like this. It will go very quick. Yeah, if you look here, we have this, we have this, we have this, we have this. Yeah, yeah, same structure. 1, 2, 1, 2, bang. Yeah, flying. And this time is not $40. This time will go here. I think, to 160. Yeah, but this is not the end target. If you want this, then please come on the Wolf Exclusive Club, then you can see the end target here. Look, $1, 160 is no financial advice. It's only to interpret this, to understand the structure, yeah, that you understand why this is going from $1 to $40. And this will happen exact the same, but in big. Yeah, and prediction makes possible to see this, and it's Very exciting, very exciting, and nobody see this. That's the point. Yeah, this will fly. This will fly in the direction of $100, $160. But to understand the structure is important. Yeah, look, you can see here the price was here at this level. Look here, 11 cent. If I predict to you and say to you, we are here at this point, and say to you, the price of Lisk will go from 18 cent to $40, then you would say to me, you are crazy. But exact this structure here, every movement has his sides, yeah. And if you see this, yeah, um, then you know, okay, we have to make a retest. We have then go to the next step, and then from this step we're going really hard to the upside. And exact this or similar uh, patterns we see here at these levels, yeah. That means we are the half of them, and you can see from this point here, 2018 to 2022, I would say these are 4 years. At also here 2 years, then we are landing at 2025. So this is a very interesting area to look to the list again. Yeah. So we're looking here to the next. You say to me, we can also look to ICX. If you look, we will see the same structure, yes, similar structure. In my eyes, these cryptos are gems, yeah, but nobody see this. Yeah. I not saying to you that you should buy this. No, you have to look what possibilities are here. Yeah? And here also very good, like the best cryptos that I know, very very good. If you look here, we have a um, falling wedge, and the price here will also going very hard to the upside. But first we have to go here to the downside. We already reached here good levels. Look, $3.26. We're coming here to the end here, yeah. But we are not in the end, yeah. We are near end, yeah. But and don't expect that you buy here and this the crypto is exploding here. I think the price will go slowly here in this direction. We will go okay in this 40, 60 cent area, 68 cent area, but um, it will take time. Yeah, so more up and downs and so on, slowly, 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 and then like here, the price will explode very hard. Yeah. So the next is, if you look here to this trend line, then I not expect a move, really hard move until December 2023. Look, yeah, these are nearly, I would say, 1 year, yeah, 1.5 year that the price will stay at these levels. Yeah, so it make no sense. From this point is getting interesting here. Then I expect the uptrend to the, yeah, really uptrend to the upside. For more, if you say I want the end target here, what is possible, that is possible to see this year, then you have to come in the Wolf Exclusive Club. There I can make for you the direction and the prediction for this. Yeah, very exclusive, very interesting crypto in my eyes. Yeah, has potential. It's a gift at these levels, but no financial advice. So we're looking here to the next. Um, Very interesting question. It is possible that Bitcoin will hit under 3,000. That's the point what I explained to you. Yeah. If you zoom in to these levels, look here, then you have to look to the whole construct. Uh, if you're looking here to the whole construct, then you can recognize, or if we zoom in, then you can see, look, So we're deleting this so that you see here interesting constellation. Yeah, so you can see Bitcoin start here at the point of 100. Then we're going to 1000. We're going here to the downside to the next support level, and then we make here new highs. Yeah, you can see we make here new highs. From 20,000 we go here back to 3,500. Then you can see 3,500. Imagine, look, 20,000, the half of them is 10,000, 50%. Yeah, from them 10,000, the half is 5,000. You can see how far we dropped to the downside. 20,000, 3,000 is huge. Yeah, and we test this only one time, two times. So this is not a stable structure to make a really bull run. Yeah, this is only a step to the next area. That means this is okay. If you want to the next area, you can make this so. But this is not a bull run in which we can build and say, okay, this is a stable structure or something like that. In this case, you can see that the vaults stretch this to 60,000. Now we have a problem at the Bitcoin price. The cycle is ending. So we have to come to these levels back. That means that we build here a stable structure to say, okay, structure is stable and we can build the next, yeah, the next move, the next cycle. And the next cycle has nothing to do with this cycle. Yeah, this cycle is a pre-step of the next cycle. Yeah, that's the point what many people not understand. That's the reason why I say to you that we have the energy and the possibility that the Bitcoin price could fall between 3,000 and, in my eyes, if coming very bad, 3,000, 7,000, and 9,000. This is the area what I think the price of Bitcoin will fall. If we zoom in to these levels, yeah, then in this pattern what we see here, this is a triangle. We can see that the price of Bitcoin will break out to the downside. Yeah, you can see triangle, and we will fall out of this triangle. Why? Why? Because you can see we touch this so much. If we adjust a little bit and say, okay, this is our um, yeah, trend line or support line, one time, two time, three time, this will not hold. Something big will happen. The price will fall here to the downside. This is one possibility, or if they want that we wait a little bit more, then they could stretch this to these levels, yeah, and make here stupid formations. But then the fall is even harder. That means it's really possible that we fall from 25,000 direct to these levels, yeah. So for me is if we wait here long, then we will fall very hard, more hard. If we not wait, then we fall only to these levels, 12,000, yeah. But this is not the end. I think from this point, if you're looking here to the neckline, yeah, if you make technical analyze, then you will recognize that we have here necklines, yeah. And if this neckline here breaks, let's say this here neckline, yeah, this is our neckline, the next negative channel. So, and if this breaks here, people, the 9,000, if this 9,000 breaks, then we have here at the Bitcoin really big problems in direction of 3,000. Yeah, that's the point. I see risk to 3,000. Yeah, but we have here different levels. First, If this breaks, if the 20,000 breaks, then we have energy to 13,000. Then we have to look from 13,000 then to this. So what's the next? So we're looking here to, let's say, let's look to Z if you want, yeah. So if you see something like that, the price is coming from $8-9 and goes to 86 cent, yeah. These formations are like joke, yeah, because you can see the vaults, they are rates, yeah, they are really, how can I say, I hate these vaults because you can see they invest here at 2021 and they won't not make, they won't not wait, yeah, they want profits, and you can see they wait here, maybe here, let's look, these are nearly 6 months. In 6 months, they buy here and sell here, yeah, and then they short. So in short time frame, they make a lot of profits, yeah. And for people like us, is the problem to know in which area we can invest. Yeah, what is the right time? And after this year, people see this, invest here, here, or here, and have here losers. And now you sit with losers here. This time you wait and wait, 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 and wait. Is nothing's happening. Yeah, you are frustrated, sell and wait, and that's not that's makes no funny. Yeah. So if we want to understand this structure, is that the point is that we have to wait a little bit. The price, we delete this, so the price will fall to these levels here, I think 16 cent. Let's look more inside to understand the structure here. So we have the same. Let me look. So we have the same. We have here this uptrend is broke. I make this in red that you can see this. We try here to go out of this. Oh, this is our triangle, and we try to go out of this triangle, but we fail. Going here to the downside. Now we have the problem that here is our negative channel, and now we try to go out of this negative channel. And you can see if this is not happening, if we cannot go here to the upside, then the next trend is look here, yeah, to 40 cent. But if you draw this exactly, then the next step is going to 20 cents, 16 cent. Yeah. And that's the point. And we have also here now not so much time. If you look here, we test this level so much. Also here the same. If the walls want a manipulation, like in the Bitcoin chart, then you can see that they can stretch this and break this triangle to this level here, 28,000. Yeah, but this is only short term, because if this is happening, then I see here left shoulder head and right shoulder formation, and we will fail. Yeah, the only thing what they make with this manipulation is they earn here time. Yeah, they win. The gain is here time, and you can see at these levels in direction of July, there's a second Fed meeting. So this is also possible that they stretch this, and we are here at July at these levels, and then they announce something. Yeah, the price is going from 24,000 to direct to 9,000 is also possible. Here also the same. If they want manipulation, they can stretch, yeah, triangle will break this. We're coming here to these levels. Let me look to the RSI. So we are landing here at these levels. Yes, you can see all is positive, yeah. And then I can make here stretching to this point, and we are landing at $1.50. But in the end of the day, we are negative. That means even if I make this in green, even if we coming to this positive channel back, like this, what you see here, I make this in blue. So even if this happening here, coming back to the positive channel back, and you say, okay, price is going to 100% to the upside, then even harder we will fall in July. Yeah, not be happy that the price is rising to the upside. Be here very careful and look what the vaults make here. So we're looking here to the next two cryptos, then I would finish. This is only a urgent Bitcoin analyze that the price of Bitcoin will fail and we will smash to the downside. Maybe if this coming true, then this video is yeah, go very hard to the upside, and yeah, many people will look to this. Yeah, thank you, Dr. Shiram. uh, I would now make two requests from you. Please write two um, cryptos or two things that I should look for you. Thank you for the coffee. So I wait here 2 minutes, then I would make here the two actions. So what we have here? Okay. Thank you for all. Thank you for your support. Thank you for all your time. Queen T. Okay. What we have, if this coming true, I may think learn a lot of from you in a short while. Thank you. If you learn something from me, I'm also happy because then you are not believe these moon boys, they explain you a shit, yeah. So okay, Mr. Gowers, good. Matic, please. So let's make Queen T. Yeah, then we're looking to Luna. Then I would make not so much requests. Yeah, I can only do 2 or 3. Then I have a lot of things that I should do. Please comment the Wolf Exclusive Club. Then you get the exclusive content from this for these cryptos. Let's look to Queen T. Then we make Luna, and then uh, I would make. Let's make Ethereum also here, because the Ethereum price prediction is 100% correct what I made. Yeah, I said to you the Ethereum price will go to $700. Then the people laughing. Yeah, and you can see what happens. Ethereum is $1,000. And if you are a smart and intelligent person, then you would request Ethereum in the Wolf Exclusive Club, because um, you know, at the situation we are here at 1,000. Yeah, and if you look here to the formation of Ethereum, then I see here very different things. Yeah, so if you are intelligent, then you would request this in the Wolf Exclusive Club to see what is here the end target. Yeah, what is maximum possible. Is very, I say only for you, or for you that you understand this. We make this in red. This Ethereum is hot, very hot, 2025. Yeah. and the price of Ethereum will go here to $700. If you request this in the Wolf Exclusive Club, then you know what is the end target. That $700 is not the end target. So yes, Ethereum. I said to you this, the price will go here to $700, but this is not the end target. Let's look more inside. Then we go to QT. So we have this constellation. Also here the same. In true, we make here a retest, and you can see we try to go here out of this triangle. Yeah, we have here green signs. Yeah, you can see green. That is what I said to you also here for the Bitcoin price. They could stretch this to the higher levels. Yeah. Um, okay. Then they stretch here to 1,800. Then we have this here coming to this trend line. If this is happening here to 1,800, then we have a really big problem. That means I think this will happen. Um, they can stretch this to 1,000, yeah, from 1,000 to 1,700, and if we're falling very hard, then it makes sense. Yeah, so this is in my eyes 10, 20%, 30%, yeah. But I have also another view that we break here down, yeah, that we directly go here to this downside. So very interesting here. If you want here exactly analyze, then you have to request, yeah. So we're looking here to QT. Let's look to this. So you can see we reach here the level of 46. We already break here the negative trend, yeah. That what we make here is only retest, but I think they can of course stretch this to levels of 64, but if I look to this year, yeah, the price was here 17, then we're going to 29, then we are at 46. So we're going in the RSI to the upside, but in the chart is nothing happening. And that's the point here. I think we will smash to the downside in direction of $30. This was my prediction also in the past, and I think the price will smash to the downside. Yeah, so if Bitcoin goes to 9,000, then even this $30 will not hold. It will smash to the downside. And you can see here also very good inverse left shoulder head and right shoulder formation. No matter if the price is going here to the upside, don't worry, the price will go even harder to the downside. Yeah. So we're looking here to the third was here this. So Terra Luna Classic. I try to find here a good chart for you. You can forget all these charts. Okay, then we try with this. Okay, it seems this is more real. So if you're asking me, makes sense to invest in Terra Luna Classic, I would say no. The problem here is the chart is extreme manipulated to the downside. You can see this is our negative channel, yeah, and we are still in the negative channel. So you can see we are still in a negative channel. We are here at June, So it makes really not sense to invest here at these levels. Let's say, okay, we tested so much, we're going out of this negative channel and we're sitting here on these levels. And the problem is, it depends what the project makes. Yeah, from a technical point of view, we are still in a negative trend if we also break this. Yeah, um, all the signs what we see here is negative. I predict for Terra Luna Classic, the price was here at $100. I said here, look to my old video. I said the price was here $100. I said we will go to 26, $23. It was this year. Yeah. Even this is not hold. Look here. For me, it was clear. We were here at $100. I said we will fall here to this downside, to this area. Yeah. And you can see even this is not hold. They smash this to the downside from this to this. So I'm not calculating that the price will go here to higher levels. It makes absolute no sense. Um, if you want to go here to the upside, then we have to first break this resistance. This resistance is at $5-6. We will never see this again. Yeah? If we zoom in, really zoom in, then you can see we have to first break the 28, 29 set. So this is too low. Yeah, the project is dead. Make absolute no sense. Yeah, you, you can see we have to uh, build first this or test this structure, and this is at 22 cent. Yeah, and we are too far away from this structure to break this. Look here, absolute no sense. The project is dead. The people, the rich, steal the money from the people, and now they going to a restaurant and eat your money. Yeah, so I have to think. The same like Celsius. Yeah, like let's look to Celsius. Celsius. So we have this. Make this okay. I hope I have this the right. They have manipulated chart. Why they look not the whole chart here? Let's look to what we have here. Also manipulated. Let's take this. Yeah, for me this chart is very bad, but we cannot find here a really good chart in which we can say we can build here something. So let's take this chart. So we have to compare with the Bitcoin price. Let's look here May 2021. At December and November we had a peak at the Bitcoin price. If you look here, the Bitcoin price was at November. So the Bitcoin price was at November 68,000. If we compare this here, 68,000 at the Bitcoin price. And if you see something like that the price is not rising to the upside, you have to run. The price is going here to the downside. Why you invest here at Celsius? Every blind man can see this. Yeah, this is terrible. You can see triangle, we break down, we make a retest. That is burn your money here. Yeah, and from this point you can see the price is going here to the downside. We have here inverse left shoulder, head, and right shoulder formation, and that what you see here is only retest. That is what I said to you this year. Yeah, the walls can stretch this extreme to the upside here. That is what I mean at the Bitcoin price. This is manipulated. Yeah, extreme quick to 28,000 like this and then down. Yeah. If you want here a prediction, let's look more inside. Here you can see a peak, but this peak has nothing to say. We have a negative structure. So I think if you look here, the price is going from 11 cent to $1.80. Has here absolute no sense, only manipulation. So in my eyes, I would say that we will fall to the downside in direction to zero. We will see something like that. So I'm finished. Last question, then we finish. There's an interesting question about Solana. We have to look to this because the subscriber asked me, have we the possibility that Solana is the same, the same behavior like the Celsius, yeah. And if I look to this here, then I have to say to you that we make here only retest. That means I not like this. Look here. Do you see this? We touch this so much here that we will fail or drop here very quick to the downside. Yeah, you can see this will not hold. We will go from 30 to $15 and enter the next level. The next level is this here. We have a good support here and we have a good support here. So I expect that the price will fall to this area, $16. But if coming very bad, and if the Bitcoin price goes to 3,000, then I expect this year the price could go here to $3 to $4. Let's look more inside. Also here, this formation is not positive. That means they can stretch this to these levels, then it's finished. Then the uptrend is beginning. We have a double top, and yeah, the next trend is going here to the downside. I would say the next move is in direction to $15. Yeah, because this formation show us that we will go here to $15. And here also the same. We can now argument, okay, we test this so much here, 1, 2, 3, 4. But no matter, even if we test this so much, the structure is broke. Yeah? It makes absolute no sense to break this structure to the upside. This is the last test. You can see. Even a blind man can see this. Look here. I hope you can see this. Negative trend exactly on this place. Look. This is a sorry for the name. This is a shit formation. You can see resistant, falling trend line, and both line crossing here, and we will fail. Yeah. So, but the moon boys buy here. I don't know why they make this, but they buy. It's such idiots. So I would say have a nice day. Please share the videos. Come in a membership that you see these exclusive contents, and for people who want to know how far Solana will go in the future to the upside, if the project is not dead, then come simple to the Wolf Exclusive Club. Right there, 3 or 4 cryptos, and then I can analyze this for you. Have a nice day. Have a nice evening. Good night.